the first part of the parametric function. So first question is, what is parametric function? This is the explicit function. And what are implicit functions? That is fxy equals to c as a constant. So when a function in terms of x and y means in two variables, okay, then this is just like x square plus y square axy plus x square y equals to c. So this is the implicit function. But what is parametric function? When these variables x and y again the function of other variable, just like t. So if x is represented as a ft, means x is a function of t. In the same way, y is again the function of t. So t is the parameter. So these are the parametric equations. So these are parametric equations. X equals to ft and y equals to ft. These are parametric equation. Just like in case of parabola. So parabola, it's a curve just like this one. So it is any point x comma y. So we can represent this x and y in terms of t as a parametric equation. So x equals to at square and y is 280. So these are the parametric equation of parabola. So this type of function in which x and y are the function of other variable, these are parametric functions, and these equations are parametric equations. Okay, the differentiation of parametric equation. So how will you differentiate? So it is very easy, as the differentiation of parametric equations, or you can say parametric functions, like in case of parabola, we have parametric equation x equals to at square in terms of t as a function of t, and y equals to 280. So it is also the function of t. So these are parametric equations. So how will you differentiate? Then you differentiate x and y separately with respect to t, means differentiate x with respect to t, and similarly y also. So dx by dt, it means d by dt of at square. So a is constant, so differentiation of t square, that is 280 right now. And the same way में differentiation of y with respect to t. So dy by dt, it means d over dt of this equation 280. So 2a is constant, so extract कर लेंगे, and differentiation of t with respect to t, it is 1. So 2a into 1, that is 2a. Okay, so right now we want dy over dx. Find dy over dx. Okay, so this is the equation 2 and it is equation 1. So divide second equation by 1. So dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dt से dt cancel करो, again you get dy over dx, and the value of this is 2a, and the value of dx by dt is 2at. So you get 1 over t. Now the other question, next question is like x equals to a cos cube theta and y is a sin cube theta. Okay, so again the similar pattern as we discussed in the previous question. So dx by dt, so differentiate equation 1, or you can say x with respect to, right now it is a function of theta, so we will differentiate these equations with respect to theta. So differentiate x with respect to theta, so it means dx over d theta, means d over d theta of a cos cube theta, means a common. So what about cos cube theta? So it is 3 cos square theta into, and cos theta का जब करेंगे we get minus sin theta, so it means we get minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. So equation 1. And the similar manner differentiate y with respect to theta. So dy over d theta is d over d theta of a sin cube theta. So you get a into 3 sin square theta, and sin theta after differentiation we get cos theta. So it means we have 3a sin square theta cos theta. So it is equation 2. So equation second divided by first means you want dy over dx, or you can say dy over d theta divided by dx over d theta. It means the value of dy over d theta is 3a sin square theta cos theta, and this divided by this one minus 3a sin theta, and this is cos square theta. So cancel out 3a से 3a, sin theta से square, and cos theta से cos square. So finally you get dy over dx is minus, यहाँ पे जो आएगा that is sin theta, and जो denominator में remaining होगा that is cos theta. So result will be tan theta. So this is your answer. So this way we will differentiate parametric equations. Very simple. First we differentiate x with respect to that parameter in which these equations are expressed, like theta, t, phi, any other. तो फर्स्ट आप डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे उसके रिस्पेक्ट में x को, देन y को, देन y equation is divided by x equation, so you get the result. Okay, x equals to a 1 minus cos theta, and y equals to a theta plus sin theta. So you have equation 1 and equation 2, right? So first differentiate first equation with respect to theta, so dx by d theta. So a constant है, differentiation of 1 is 0, and cos theta का differentiation you know minus sin theta, so you get a sin theta. And similarly, when you differentiate y with respect to theta, so you get a common differentiation of theta is 1 with respect to theta, and sine theta is cos theta. So differentiation of theta is 1 and sine theta is cos theta. So it is this, and you want dy over dx. So it means dy over d theta and dx over d theta. So put these values. First is this a 1 plus cos theta, and this is a sin theta. So a से a cancel हो गया. So you get 1 plus cos theta. So as we know the formula of half angle, so 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta in terms of half angle is 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So these are the formulae, we use this. So we get 2 cos square theta by 2, the value of 1 plus cos theta, and 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. This is the value of sin theta in terms of half angles. So cancel out 2 से 2 and square से cos theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 over sin theta by 2. So finally you get dy over dx equals to cot theta by 2. So simple, very easy. Now the next question, like x equals to 380 over 1 plus t square and y is 3a square over 1 plus t square. Find out the value of dy over dx t equals to 1 at t equals to 1. So first you will collect dy over dx, and after that you will put this value on that expression in terms of t. So same manner आप फर्स्ट इसको डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे x को. सो dx by dt, इट मीन्स द डिवीज़न फार्मूला. फर्स्ट आप न्यूमरेटर को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे d over dt of 380 and 1 plus t square as it is, minus 380 as it is, and differentiate d over dt of 1 plus t square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So you get 380, you get 3a and 1 plus t square as it is, minus 380, and what about this? Differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of t square is 2t over 1 plus t square whole square. So you get 3a plus 3a square, and this is 6a square. Okay, so you get 3a plus 3a square minus 6a square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So you get dx by dt equals to 3a minus 3a square 1 plus t square whole square. Okay, so now differentiate y. So dy over dt is, differentiate this, d over dt of 3a square and 1 plus t square as it is, minus 3a square numerator as it is, and differentiate denominator 1 plus t square divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So you get 680 into 1 plus t square, and there is 3a square into 2t divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So this is 680 square t cube. There is 680 cube, cancel out हो जाएगा. Only you get 680 divided by 1 plus t square whole square. So this is the value of dy by dt. So that is 680 over 1 plus t square whole square. So right now you have the value of dx by dt and dy by dt, and you want dy over dx. So divide these two, and after getting the expression in terms of t, means dy over dx in terms of t, put the value of t is 1. So we have dx by dt, sorry, dy by dt is 680 over 1 plus t square whole square, and we have dx by dt is 3a 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square whole square. So first divide these two. You want dy over dx, so it is dy over dt over dx over dt. So dy over dt is 680 divided by 1 plus t square whole square, and dx by dt is 3a 1 minus t square over 1 plus t square whole square. So denominators cancel out. You get 680 divided by 3a 1 minus t square. So you get dy over dx is 3a cancel out, 2t over 1 minus t square. So this is the first step. So dy over dx at t equals to 1. So in this expression, put the value of t, 1 minus 1 square, so you get 2 over 0. So it is not defined. If you have any other value, just like he asked at t equals to 1 by 2, so put this value 2 into 1 by 2 and 1 minus 1 by 2 square. So you get 1 as numerator, and there is 1 minus 1 by 4, so you get 3 by 4, reverse okay, it is 4 by 3.